Have you ever felt stuck in the same old patterns? Today we're exploring NLP, a powerful tool to rewire your brain and change your life. Neuro-Linguistic Programming is the study of how our thoughts, language, and patterns of behavior interact to create our reality. The first step is awareness. Start noticing the silent conversation you have with yourself every single day. Most of us operate on autopilot, repeating negative thoughts that limit our potential without even realizing it. Step 2 is reframing. This is about changing the meaning you give to your experiences to empower yourself. Instead of seeing a failure, reframe it as feedback. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Your words are the blueprints for your life. By changing "I can't" to "how can I," you open doors to new solutions. This simple shift in language rewires your neural pathways, moving you from a victim mindset to a creator mindset. Step 3 is anchoring. Learn to trigger a positive emotional state whenever you need it most. Think of a time you felt incredibly confident. Relive that moment, the sights, the sounds, the feeling of success. As that feeling peaks, press your thumb and forefinger together. This physical touch becomes your anchor for confidence. Now, whenever you face a challenge, fire your anchor. Your brain will automatically recall that state of peak performance. If you find yourself spiraling into stress, use a pattern interrupt. Do something unexpected to break the loop. Stand up, shout, or dance. By physically breaking the pattern, you force your brain to reset and find a new path. Finally, practice future pacing. Vividly imagine yourself successfully navigating future challenges using your new tools. When you visualize success in detail, your brain begins to treat it as a real memory, building the neural pathways for it to happen. Remember, NLP isn't magic, it's a skill. Consistency is what turns these techniques into permanent life changes. Spend just 5 minutes a day practicing these steps. Notice how your internal world begins to transform. You have the power to upgrade your core beliefs. You are not your past. You are the architect of your future. By intentionally choosing your thoughts and words, you are literally redesigning the structure of your mind. NLP gives you the emotional intelligence to respond rather than react. This is true freedom. A calm mind is a powerful mind. When you control your internal state, external circumstances lose their power over you. The tools are in your hands. Start today by choosing one technique and applying it to your life immediately. As you change, you'll inspire those around you to do the same. Positive change is contagious. You are capable of extraordinary things. Believe in your potential, use these tools, and watch your life unfold in beautiful ways. Your brain is ready for an upgrade. Are you? Let's start this journey together.